Hi, hello, how are you? How are you people doing? I'm doing good. So, I'm here once again with all the best summer products of 2020, but not all the products. Especially, I'll talk about 5 products today. As you can see, spring is here, summer is here. My dresses are having flowers. I have this flush, cheek flush, red blush, red lipstick. I'm totally into summer vibe. Today I'm going to talk about 5 summer favorite products of mine, which I'm going to vouch for these products, and I can make sure, I swear, these products are not going to burn your pocket. Trust me, because all of us are broke here. Broke. You don't have to worry about anything. We are not bougie people here. So, hello, hi. If you are a returning audience here, then welcome back, fam. And if you are new here, hi, hello, how are you? My name is Boni. I bullshit a lot. I talk a lot, and yeah, you are welcome here in this journey. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. These are the 5 products that I have used before, I am currently using, and I am going to buy these products again because I love them so much, and they are like my summer fixed product. Summer is here, so are these products. I am going to use them over and over again, and I am going to recommend these products to my friends, to all my friends, and all of these products are under 500 rupees. So I say that these products are not going to burn a hole in your pocket, and I mean it. The first product I'm going to talk about is this concealer. I vouch for this concealer. This is Swiss Beauty liquid concealer, and the shade I use is called Warm Sand. I mean, they have a huge shade range. You can choose your shade. So this is Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. I bought it with 229 rupees. But they always, Swiss Beauty in Nykaa or in Purple or any other beauty site that you get your products from, Amazon or maybe or whatever, they always have some type of sale going on. So it's always like 200 to 250. You will always get this product among this range, but not more than that. The price may vary, but the formula, oh my god, the formula is amazing. But the thing is, this is not full coverage. Enough coverage to hide whatever blemish you have in your skin or the under eye dark circles. But at the same time, I am going to tell you this, that if you want, full coverage, opaque, totally opaque type of concealer, this is not the one. This formula is also not sticky or tip or watery, like you put it here and it runs down here. It doesn't happen. Or it's not like you are rubbing it with everything, your hand, sponge, whatever, but the concealer is not blending or not going anywhere. This is the perfect consistency. Like, it's not runny, it's not watery, but at the same time it's not sticky picky, chalky. Also, another thing is, it doesn't cake, it doesn't become sticky picky. That's why if you think after applying one coat or after applying, if you think like, okay, this is not working for me, I'll need another coat, you can always reapply and blend it. It blends seamlessly. So if you think about, after applying one coat of this product, that okay, I have to go again and I have to apply some more, you can always go for it and apply some more. So I vouch for this product. So the second product now I'm going to talk about, this is a summer essential. If you are a person like me, if you are, I don't sweat much, but I am dehydrated all the fucking time because I don't drink water properly. Okay, this is a summer thing. Please drink your water. My kidney is saying sorry to me like behin thoda to pani de de. Emotional damage. So I have dehydration problem, and this product, you need this product this summer. I mean, I'm not listening. I'm not listening to anyone else. Get this product ASAP. This is Blue Nectar Shubhra Rose Mist. Now, this is distilled rose water. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need face mist all the time, especially in summer. Even when I apply sunscreen and I go out, I keep on drying and my face, it becomes hot. The moment I spray this like over makeup or whatever, just it's just peaceful. It's cold, it doesn't have any oil, so if you are wearing any makeup, it's like, it's not, oil is the thing, removes your makeup from your skin, so it doesn't have that, and it gives you this instant glow because it's a little bit costly. It is 425 rupees, but Blue Nectar also has sales going on, so you will get this for 400 rupees to 425 to 390. I mean, the price varies, but oh my god, first of all, it's very soothing. So if you are having any skin irritation, if you are very hot summer day and your face feels like it's very tanned and it's very suffocating, your face feels very suffocating, your body feels very suffocating, you just split, and we're done. And of course, it does not, I told you that it does not have any oil or paraben or something like that, and that's why it's not oily. It's just fresh splits of water and you will feel refreshed. So this one, you need this one this summer. Okay, now I have a habit of biting my chapped lips all the time. It's a very bad habit of mine. And I have lipstick on my teeth. Okay, my lips remain chapped and dry all the year. Summer, winter, rainy season, it doesn't matter because I have very bad habits, and also I don't drink water. This product comes to my rescue. This is from Kaya Skin Naturals. This has the wonderful thing about this lip balm is this has no smell, no taste. It tastes like nothing. And it's not at all heavy. With most lip balms, when you wear them, it feels like there's something on your lips. It's not at all heavy. You wear it, you won't even feel that it's on your lips. And I have seen most low end or low budget chapsticks or lip balms, they have this weird silicone. It feels like there's melted plastic on your lips and it feels like silicone-y. This is not like that. This literally penetrates when you wear it. It literally penetrates your skin and immediately it makes your lips look like healthy. You've been drinking water, you are not doing questionable things with your lip like that, I mean biting your lips all the time like I do. This is good for summer. This is not heavy and silicone-y, and because of that, this is a very good lip balm for summer, because if we wear heavy lip balms on summer, it kind of sweats or it feels like there's something on your lip. If you feel like there's something on your lip in summer, it's not a good feeling and you will be sweaty and you will feel like, oh my god. So this is another product that you need for summer. So the fourth product that I am going to talk about is a summer essential. You will need it. Like if you are a sweaty pig like me, I'm a pigo. If you are like me, then you will need this. This is Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. This is 251 rupees, but again there are always sales and the prices may vary. Boy, oh boy, I am a fan of this mascara. Trust me, I'm not a mascara person. I most of the time forget. Like for example, today I forgot to wear mascara. I most of the time forget to wear mascara, but I am a fan of this product. Trust me. My lashes are thin. There are no volume at all. Also, they are straight. No matter how much you curl them, they are straighter than straight dude brows. This doesn't melt. Like, you can wear this mascara and go into swimming pool. You can go into shower. This fucking mascara doesn't melt at all. If you are a sweaty swat cat like me, this is for you. You need this. Also, another reason why this is very good for summer, because this is not heavy. This is not at all heavy. This, when you wear them, it does not feel heavy at all. This doesn't make any mess or clusterfuck in your eyelash. Like, it doesn't feel sticky picky, and it coats each of your eyelash. Like this wand, let me show you, this wand is so big and beautiful and fluffy that each of your lash, it coats properly each of your lashes and doesn't make it clustered in one place and not gunky and sticky picky at all. At the same time, your lashes look voluminous, thick and curly, but not clustered, and they look clean. Well, again, another not really makeup product but another skincare product, this one. This is a body lotion from TNW, Avocado Body Moisturizing Lotion, enriched with goodness of avocado oil and argan oil for all skin types. This is very hydrating. I know many people believe that in summertime you should not wear lotions. You are wrong. Summertime, your skin becomes way dehydrated and way dry than winter. So in summertime, you should definitely wear moisturizer. But for summertime, you will need moisturizer that's more hydrating than oily. Because see, in summertime, most of the people, why they don't wear lotions or body moisturizer, because there are many lotions. The common lotions that we know, they are designed so that we can wear it in cold weather. You are worried that if I wear a lotion in summertime, it can make us feel sweaty, and it can make us feel oily, and we sweat a lot because of Kolkata summer, or all over the India summer is hot. It's not like in Western countries. We are hot. And is this the reason why all the Desi girls are hot? Yes. So if you don't choose the right type of moisturizer and right type of lotion for summer, it can make your skin look oily, sticky, and it can feel heavy on your skin. So we don't want that, right? This is why for summertime moisturization, I am recommending this product, this lotion, because it absorbs. It's very thin and it absorbs very fast. You won't even notice it's on your skin. At the same time, it's hydrating. It has some amount of oil, so if you wear it at the night as a repairing lotion, it can repair your skin damage that has happened all the day throughout because of pollution, because of sun, because of the heat and summertime. So it can nourish your skin. The moment you wear this one, your skin feels bouncy, your skin absorbs it very fast, your skin looks very, very healthy. I recommend this one for summer moisturization. This is my short and simple review. My favorite 5 products which I am going to use all over the summer. I use all the summer, all the time. These are my recommendations. I know our skin reacts different to different products. Every person has unique skin codes. I have different skin, you have different skin. This is what I felt. I think These are my summer staples. So if you liked this video, if you want more short videos, short reviews like this, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Please 1000 subscribes kar do yaar, 1000 subscribers kar do. Please. There are other videos, other reviews and tutorials in my channel, so please check out my channel and please tell your friends that I exist. There are all the social medias are linked down below. Follow me there. We can talk, we can chit chat. I reply all the time. Okay, I'm not like, somebody texted me. I love text messages. Just don't call me. I hate calls. Text me and I always reply. Till then, see you in my next videos. Bye bye.